Good morning, everyone. It is such a dreary day out. It's raining, everything's wet. I was gonna work outside, but can't really, so I decided I'm gonna clean my shed. Check this out. This is just terrible. I got stuff everywhere. I got all my tools. I don't know. Everything. Everything's just laying around, dirty, messy. It is just nasty. So today's project is just cleaning this up, making it look nice. I always have these high ideals of cleaning stuff, and it's nice for a little bit, and then within 4 days, it's just messy. So something I gotta work on. But today, first step, clean it up. Well, we're making some progress. Got the counter cleaned finally. The rest of the room still looks a mess. And yep, still raining outside. What an ugly day. Got this big wooden box here. I think I might put like a bunch of my tools, like this type of stuff, in there. That'll help keep it organized better. And then I'll slide that maybe right underneath that counter there. What do you think? Think that'll work? Well, I'm pretty much done. Got it all cleaned up, organized. Got a lot of my toolboxes in that wooden box there. Parked all my bikes in the corner. Got rid of a bunch of the wood and the junk that was lying here. Floor's still kind of dirty. It's got like stains on it, so I'll have to see if I can paint it, but I'm pretty happy with that, with my day stuck at home on a Saturday with it being rainy out. So anyway, stay tuned. Maybe I'll have to build some shelves or something. I'm not sure what I should do with, what should I do with this room? I'm trying to decide. I could use it. It's got a lot of lights and stuff, so it's really well lit, so I could use it for video and all kinds of good stuff. But yeah, I don't know what I want to do with it. But anyway, hope you enjoyed that time lapse of me cleaning my shed. Peace.